A thriving chicken farm stretches into the horizon, healthy chickens roaming freely under the open sky. Words appear on the screen. Planning your chicken farm. The construction of a chicken house unfolds rapidly, set against the backdrop of educational on-screen text. The construction stresses the importance of key structural elements and cleaning protocols. Building the chicken house, the begins, emphasizing the protective structure. The voiceover details the importance of ventilation, deep litter systems, and protection from the elements and predators. The hatchery shows rows of healthy chicks, each one a promise of a thriving flock. Choosing good chicks. The screen displays a stark comparison: vibrant health versus pale sickness. Do not buy cheap, sickly chicks. The voiceover warns of the false economy of disease. The voice stresses: it is important to start with strong, healthy birds. The chickens peck at their feed, a symphony of clucking filling the air, as the text feeding water appears. Balanced nutrition and clean water are vital for healthy chickens. The begins. The narrator continues. Vitamins and probiotics are often added to their feed. Animated charts illustrate optimal feeding schedules, revealing the nutritional content of each feed type. Vaccination and health. The screen displays essential vaccination procedures. The need for a strict vaccination schedule, Marek's disease, Newcastle, Gumboro, and regular cleaning is paramount. Visuals show how to identify and isolate sick chickens. Chickens and eggs trade hands in a bustling market, fueling the local economies. Planning your market early, using social media for advertising, and offering delivery services are key. Charts illustrate potential profit margins and marketing strategies.